Hey, you guys, I've told you many a time that I started this channel because guys at work were interested in getting their finances straight. And I'm a firefighter. Firefighters on the job. We talk, right? So today I want to share a story with you that happened this morning, and I'm pretty stoked about it. Now, full disclosure, I did ask this firefighter if it was okay that I shared his story, and he was fine with it. So here it goes. He had been asking me to help him start a Roth IRA. So I did. I told him, hey, you know what? I have a thing with M1 Finance. If you want to use my channel, you get $10 or whatever it is now. I get $10. Do you mind doing it? He said, yes. So we set it up this morning. And he was really excited because his girlfriend had been nagging him to actually get it started so he could fund last year's 2020, right? Because he's 28 years old. And he knows, and I've stressed to him the importance of starting early. Okay, so here's the cool thing is after we got it started, right? We got it set up for him. Now he is waiting for the little micro balances to be transferred to verify the account and all that kind of stuff. But afterwards, we're walking out. He's like, hey, he's thanking me for helping him set it up. I'm like, dude, I'm just glad you did it. And he goes, hey, I got some exciting news for you. I go, what's that? He goes, dude, my 457 balance just entered 6 figures. All right, this is a 28-year-old guy who, now granted, he got hired at 21, so he's got 7 years on the job, but he has only put away $500 a paycheck, so $1,000 a month, and he is already into 6 figures on his deferred compensation plan. That to me is awesome. You guys, full disclosure, I didn't make it in 7 years, okay? I did not put away that much money. This guy has, and here's the thing, he's 28 years, so he's got another 25 plus years, even more, 30 years before he really has to worry about taking it out. 30 more years, he's going to have millions of dollars. The idea that starting early and investing regularly and often pays off. So I know the story is just kind of off the wall, but you know what? I was so impressed by what happened today that I had to make a video. So it's a short, and I realize it's not going to be whatever. But you guys, this is one of the coolest things about this thing is not only do I feel satisfaction because he started the Roth, but when he told me how satisfied he was by actually hitting 6 figures at age 28, holy crap, that's awesome. What do you guys think? I think it's awesome. If you think it's awesome, do me a favor. Give me a thumbs up. All right, thanks. We'll see ya.